Imagine two kids, both growing up in the same neighborhood but with completely different mindsets about money. One believes in studying hard, getting a degree, and finding a secure job. The other believes in financial education, investing, and making money work for him. Which one do you think becomes rich? This is the story of Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, a book that changed how millions of people think about money. Today, let's break it down in simple terms with real-life examples. This book compares the lessons from two father figures. Poor Dad, Kiyosaki's real father, believed in traditional education and job security. Rich Dad, his friend's father, believed in financial education, investing, and making money work for you. Now, let's dive into the 6 big lessons from this book. Lesson 1, the rich don't work for money. Most people work for money, but the rich make money work for them. Example, imagine you get a $1,000 bonus. What do? Poor Dad's mindset, save it in a bank. Rich Dad's mindset, invest it to generate more money. The key lesson. Don't just work for a salary, create sources of passive income. Lesson 2, financial education is key. Schools teach subjects like math and science but rarely teach about money. The rich learn how money works, how to invest, manage risks, and build wealth. Example, think about lottery winners. Many win millions but go broke within years. Why? Lack of financial knowledge. Wealth is not just about making money, it's about keeping and growing it. Lesson 3, mind your own business. Kiyosaki says, don't work only for someone else's business, build your own. Example, you work a job and earn a salary. But your boss owns the company and gets rich from your efforts. Instead of just working for others, invest in building your assets, stocks, real estate, or a side business. Lesson 4, the difference between assets and liabilities. Rich people buy assets, while poor people buy liabilities thinking they are assets. Asset equals puts money in your pocket, stocks, rental properties, businesses. Liability equals takes money out of your pocket, cars, expensive gadgets, loans. Example. Buying a car. Liability, loses value, requires maintenance. Buying a rental property. Asset, brings rent every month. Focus on acquiring assets that generate income. Lesson 5, the power of investing. The rich invest their money instead of saving it in banks. Example, if you save $10,000 in a bank for 10 years, inflation reduces its value. But if you invest it in stocks or real estate, its value can grow significantly over time. The lesson? Start investing early and let your money grow. Lesson 6, work to learn, not just for money. Instead of choosing a job for salary, choose it for the skills you'll learn. Example, if you work in sales, you learn negotiation. If you work in marketing, you learn persuasion. These skills help you grow financially in the long run. Key takeaways. Don't just work for money, make money work for you. Invest in financial education. Buy assets, not liabilities. Invest your money wisely. Learn skills that help you build wealth. So, the next time you get paid, ask yourself, are you thinking like Poor Dad or Rich Dad? If you found this summary helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more book summaries that change the way you think.